Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial. For today's video will be how to add clickable links in your Canva account. So, it's pretty simple. We just select a project. So let's say that we have this project. So, best review in gaming, and you want to enter a site. So, we can put join now. Click here. Without even putting the main link and just putting the title, I can insert the link inside this page. So we just highlight this thing, press the three dots, then press link. So here we can add any links. So let's say we can put gaming review right here. For example, here we just click this, copy this link, go to your project, click on paste, and done. So here the link is now embedded. Once the people click on this one, join now, click here, it will automatically redirect to this link, which is a gaming review, which is connected to the things that you put in your Canva account. So in order to do that, we will just click share, download as PDF standard. So that's how simple it is on adding a link to your Canva PDF or your Canva project. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you had a good one.